And I'm here specifically to talk about an interesting trend for me, which is preparing for launch. And the dynamics today in the market are quite intense. What we're seeing is that obviously there's different types of molecules and modalities where customers are thinking about ADCs, standard mAbs, maybe bispecifics, fusion proteins. There's all these different types of molecules that organizations are trying to figure out how do we prepare ourselves appropriately to get those programs brought to market effectively, because it's a very important time. I mean, this is where the stakes are really high. We have all of these patients that are depending on these medicines that can really deliver an impact to the broader community of people that we're here to serve. And we're seeing people look for these standard solutions, which, everyone wants to know. You have the technical expertise. There's certain timelines that you can deliver. Now people are starting to ask the question of what's the right scale? What's the right region? Region is going to be a hot topic. We know that's going to be an area where everyone wants to know where we can manage our supply chain with governmental changes of tariffs and other policies. And these are the areas that the organizations and the industries are all trying to align on what is the best strategy. And the one thing that we're starting to see is that there is not a one-size-fits-all kind of approach anymore. Every molecule, every program, every indication is going to require a unique technical solution, sometimes a unique business solution, a global regional approach that can be diversified and expanded over time. Maybe you're going to start with one indication. You're going to need to expand into other indications in other regions of the world. These are the questions that everyone's going to be asking themselves, and we ask ourselves as well within the industry to try to figure out how do we make ourselves both agile, efficient, and flexible for our customers and the patients we're all trying to serve.